Is a short message from Shytoshi called
Oh, here we go.
Dear Humanity, featuring music by Scott Buckley.
I hope it doesn't get demonetized here. Probably.
Humanity. You feel it, don't you? The growing need for something different, something new. The unfortunate reality so many face. From the crushing weight of infinite inflation, a feeling so hard to escape as it seems everything is caving in on us. Natural disasters, unnatural disasters, wars, and the rumors of wars that always seem to advance. This is not by chance. We have placed our faith on the secrets of a few instead of the power of many, but tomorrow that changes. We have been robbed of our liberty, cheated of our autonomy, and blamed for our shortcomings. We have surely been exploited for our data, indebted to centralized monopolies, and forced to forge our future with the forgotten scraps of past martyrs and tears of genocide survivors. You may ask, can a simple meme, a joke, born as an experiment make a lasting change on the global stage? The uninitiated, and at first glance for those who are initiated but asleep, the answer may incorrectly appear to be, no, of course not. It's just crypto, bro. We can't change the world. Let's just build and moon. This incorrect yet noble approach is one most of our former competitors decided to take, but SHIB is on a different path starting today. In fact, every blockchain, every crypto and metaverse here will dazzle you with technology, and we will do the same. But what makes SHIB unique is our community, the SHIB Army. When we are empowered to scale even further, our global community will stand together for a better future, a decentralized one. It is here and soon on Shibarium that dogs, toads, and apes, yup, even the entire zoo is invited to live in peace and harmony.
You say soon?
Who am I to speak such? It is not yet time for that discussion. For now, I am Shy, and I am uniquely positioned to plant our prophetic banner into the annals of history. With SHIB's perfect start by Ryoshi and my decentralized direction, alongside an incredible group of global superstars, including many of you, we have shattered records, taken down websites from traffic overload, and done what many deemed impossible, over and over again. Now, and henceforth, my friends, we will do what many said was impossible yet again. And to ensure we win, I have prepared 2 epic documents for the SHIB Army and the 7 Seas. The first will be unveiled tomorrow and given to the globe for free. It is a large endeavor known as the SHIB paper. Today, though,
the other one's gonna be...
I want to unveil a guide I think is missing in this space. It is a collection of ancient wisdom, aligned with personal experience from 3 years in this honorable position. Although designed for noobs in the space, I will create up to 10,000 copies that will be signed by me personally, and endowed with one of the most expensive colognes and exclusive scents in the world, my personal fave. The personally signed copies are a collectible like no other, and authenticated by Shibakal's technology.
Real NFTs?
It is a physical, authenticated collectible, a safer for those who want to own a piece of history. Each copy is 1 Ethereum, and if it is too expensive, don't worry. The Amazon pre-order will soon be available. This insider glance teeming with know-how is tentatively titled The 44 Tenets to Triumph in Crypto. In no way will this document promise you will win in this wild west. But not using the wisdom therein is a sure path to get wrecked. If you decide to purchase a copy, thanks, you fill my heart. The QR code for the pre-sale is on the screen, and I've given leash holders a 1-hour head start. Good luck, Jens, stay smart, and thanks for a few moments of your time. On behalf of all of us, we hope you enjoy the conference, our hackathons, booths, cabana, announcements tomorrow, and the party we've thrown to commemorate this great occasion. Remember, with all of our great minds together, we will right this crooked world. So the question is not when, but if you will be able to say and show on chain that you took part of a revolution that was not televised. Only SHIB time will tell, and until then, be well. Sincerely, Shytoshi Kusama via AI, obviously. Hail, SHIB!
What in the was that? like SHIB is collapsing. You see SHIB that's falling. You see bone that's collapsing. That's down to about $1.52, probably even more than that if we look at TradingView. It's falling. It's down to $1.47. We're seeing that SHIB is in TradingView. Let's look at that. It's down to, it's still at the added zero level. Doge, the Doge killer or leash has dropped as well. You know, sorry, let me go back to, I guess I can't look at that in TradingView, but it is down to $641. I don't understand. This is a release of basically NFTs and giving, you know, signed copies of like, what in the world? Right? Like, I guess we should have expected something that's so bad. When we've seen like announcements and things that have happened in the past, I blame it on Lamont. People saying Lamont coin is just ridiculous. Y'all guys are on another level. Like, I mean, a whole nother level. I was laughing the whole entire time. But this is crazy. First of all, no Shibarium, right? So this is what people were upset about. And that's what I talked about when I made my video yesterday, saying that there's no official release date. That made me think that bring back Lamont and the slides. He got the slides. Yeah, that brings me back to like I look at my videos yesterday and I'm like, yeah, I mean, I'm kind of spot on for picking that up. I mean, if they're going to sit here and hint that, yes, it's not going to be released tomorrow, that we're not going to see any type of thing that's happening, but then get all the attention so that people can start buying whatever they need to buy or whatever they want them to buy, this is sort of a failure, honestly. This is not a good thing for SHIB at all, and we're seeing it fall. You can look at the chart right now in TradingView. You know, it is falling. In the actual view, you can see the peak that it had and how it's creating a valley at the moment. Same thing for bone. That's down to $1.44 from $1.50 or $1.60 that was at, now down to $1.42 at the moment. So it is consistently dropping, continuously dropping. And this overall conference was not it. I mean, it definitely brings more attention and people were excited, but I didn't actually get a chance to see what people were saying in the comment section. If it got, oh, yeah, bad idea AI, hail SHIB. Let's see, gaining a zero. Yeah, SHIB explodes tomorrow. So I mean, it's not a good deal. Oh, well, now we're seeing it break below, I guess this break even point here. So yeah, it does not look good. This was not a great announcement for anyone, but it doesn't change what Shiba Inu is. I'm not disappointed. He said tomorrow. He said tomorrow there's an announcement. There's an announcement. Why wouldn't this on one of the biggest stages at the moment to do that while everybody is excited, everybody is into it, everybody is tuned in? You think that he said that tomorrow there's going to be a SHIB announcement at the booth, right? Lamont, the new meme. Probably. I would imagine they're going to create something like that. I don't know. But it's like his favorite cologne. Like, is that a way to sell your cologne too? Lamont coin, Lamont and Tyrone. Lamont coin. He said the papers. SHIB is a scam. I don't think SHIB is a scam. SHIB is definitely not. SHIB is a project that's controlled by us, the community, right? And it's always been that way. But when it comes to everything that's created by the ecosystem dev team, it's been a disappointment after a disappointment after a disappointment. Now, we don't have the official launch, so we don't know how much it's going to burn. But everybody was, the huge buildup was leading up to this spot, was leading up to this time to do so much more for cryptocurrency, right? And now I see people in the chat like Pepe. It's all about Pepe. The announcement tomorrow is that there will be an announcement tomorrow. Probably. That's the way that it seems. Actually, the question is when. SHIB cologne, I'm sticking with my Old Spice. Yeah, I use Usher, right? That's my cologne. I could spray it on something and sell it as an NFT. Anybody want to pay 1 ETH for that? people didn't even pay 1 ETH for the metaverse plots of land. Like, why is this now like what you want to do? The big announcement is to raise money by doing this. Like, that's dumb. I would like to rewatch it if I could. Which, well, actually, I can. Let's not rewatch it, but it, hear what they are saying there.
And soon on Shibarium that dogs, toads, and apes, yep, even the entire zoo, is invited to live in peace and harmony. Who am I to speak such? It is not yet time for that discussion. For now, I am Shy, and I am uniquely positioned to plant our prophetic. I have prepared 2 epic documents for the SHIB Army and the 7 Seas. The first will be unveiled tomorrow and given to the globe for free. It is a large endeavor.
So, I mean, this this document is unveiled tomorrow, but leash holders have, like, I guess, a head start because he just said that they have that. It just added a 0. Yeah,
known as
ridiculous.
The SHIB paper.
Can
Today,
we rewatch Lamont?
I want to unveil a guide I think is missing in this space. It is a collection of ancient wisdom, aligned with personal experience from 3 years in this honorable position. Although designed for noobs in the space, I will create up to 10,000 copies that will be signed by me personally.
So they're NFTs. So they are NFTs, right? It's not an electronic NFT. It's literally an NFT, a physical copy that you're buying for Ethereum and you're sending it. It's a way to raise money. And that's the announcement. I mean, I don't know. That's just dumb to me. It's absolutely dumb. Ancient wisdom over 3 years ago.